Hello and welcome to Unit 1 of How to Read Music Notation with Ukulele. We're going to have 10 videos in this unit, and if you like it, if this gets a lot of likes, if you feel like you want to keep growing with this, then I'll make a Unit 2, so it really is up to you. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned, and before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It really helps boost the channel and reach more people and have more people join the ukulele world. Grab the free printable resource. It's right under the video. There's like a see more option on the description box, and you get this awesome printable that is just for you. It's totally free, and if you're a patron, you have additional exercises, so make sure that patrons, you grab it from the Patreon page. Today we are learning how to read 2 notes on the staff. The staff are the 5 lines that you see like music written on. And so today we're looking at a note on the space, which is A, and a note on the line, which is B. Make sure that you notice where A is and where B is. So you'll notice that there's like the staff lines, right? And A is in between 2 lines. B is right on a line, so you'll see a line go through it. This is a really important differentiation to notice, so kind of keep that in mind as we go through our first exercise. So let's play A 4 times with 4 beats each one. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're starting off super easy, and the reason is that like music notation can look so intimidating, and I do not want you to feel intimidated by it. Okay, go to note B. You're going to use your middle finger on fret 2, and that gives you a B. Make sure that we sound the same, okay? We're not strumming a whole chord, we're picking individual notes here. Here we go, 4 Bs. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you've read 4 A's and 4 B's. Now we're going to mix them up, so you'll see an exercise on the screen. Now try and figure out which note is first and which note is next. I'm not trying to be tricky or anything. Okay, here we go. A is first. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to throw you a curveball. That little black kind of box you see is called a whole rest. So just like our whole note got 4 beats or 4 moments of sound, our whole rest gets 4 beats of silence. So make sure that you stop the note so that there's just absolute silence on those 4 beats. Here we go. New exercise. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, take a breath real quick. In music, when we're reading music notation, we're primarily reading for 2 things. What note to play, like A's or B's or other notes, and for how long. And so today we've learned the whole note gets 4 beats. The whole rest gets 4 moments of silence, also 4 beats, but it's silent beats. We read our music from the staff, which is the 5 lines that musicians read the music from. And so now let's look at a few other terms. We have the treble clef. That's that beautiful symbol that we'll see at the beginning of ukulele music. Now if you look at our music, we have this 4 on top of another 4. And I'll explain this a little later because what we've learned today isn't completely relevant to it yet. All we need to know is that we're counting in beats of 4. So just like I was saying, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we did something new. That's all you need to know for now. We have these bar lines, and the bar lines separate every 4 beats. So instead of just seeing like this continuous like whole notes and whole rests with like no end in sight, the bar lines help us organize the music. And a way for us to know that a song is over is using a double bar line. Double bar line, one will be thicker than the other, but there's 2 of them, so you know that you're done. I just put a lot of information into this video, and know that not all the videos will feel like this. It really is just because you're learning a new language. And so imagine this way. You're learning this new language, and the treble clef is telling you what language you're going to be speaking. The staff is like a notebook, you know, the kind of lines that you're reading the language from. So I've created some flashcards for you to make. It will just help a lot to memorize this. And then as we spend more time practicing it, you'll start to understand it a little better. I've made an exercise page and a play along video for my patrons, so if you would like access to that, go ahead and join us on Patreon. I'll have the link down below, and it's also on the screen. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara! I never noticed how red my nose looked. My allergies have been so bad the past 2 days. Anybody else, or is it just me? Woo!